Still have a few more planes that gotta go.
Did you order?
No,
This summer?
I will, but just not yet. But yeah, it's on my list.
Timer cleared. Gear up.
Bumpy, bumpy.
Yeah, in the afternoon, man, I used to come out here and fly my little GWS anytime.
Yep.
Hand launching it and everything. My eyes would melt.
Yeah, 'cause the sun.
Yeah. Right now it's perfect. So no strap or nothing, huh?
For what?
On your battery?
No,
Wow.
it's just Velcroed in. And then you pull the tray when you're ready. What the hell's that for? What the hell's that about?
Time remaining 7 minutes.
Come on, you're at a park.
That's what I was just gonna say. They're out here for peace and tranquility, right?
There's your competitiveness. Let it go. Yeah, that silver really popped.
Yeah. See, and my perfectionist is coming out. I could make it actually. I could make it even better.
Yeah.
I should have put like another coat. It still glimmers and shimmers and shines.
Sounds good.
Time remaining 6 minutes.
I'd laugh when those guys were saying, yeah, mine sounds like a squealing cat.
Yeah, because it makes that noise.
Yeah.
What the hell are they arguing about? What the heck are they talking about? You have to leave. They don't have to wait. They can do what they want. We're at a park. Shut up, guys.
They're fighting over a parking spot.
You're so well educated, okay?
Time remaining 5 minutes.
At a park to enjoy ourselves and fighting over parking.
Park is the root word of parking. How ironic. Thermal over there.
Yep. Oh my God, shut up! You can't report anything. Shut up, dude. Just be quiet.
Yeah, it's community property.
Just be quiet, my God. Whoa, thermal, you see that?
Yeah. Push you out, huh?
Yep. Now that there's no clouds, it's gonna get bumpy.
This is 5S too?
Yeah.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Oh, there it is. It's bumping all over. Whoa.
Usually they're not that aggressive.
I mean, I understand if she cut in and took it, but I mean, come on. Just let it go. It's not worth fighting over.
No. There goes
It's just not worth it. Just leave it alone.
Yeah, they say that the cell phones do it to us too. Like, you check it 200 or 300 times, and each time you get a little charge out of it.
Time remaining
You don't
3
get like
minutes.
a big rush of adrenaline.
Yep.
So your pituitary gland and everything else, these endorphins, they just trickle into your body all day long.
Yep.
And you don't get like a big head rush charge.
Right.
You know. That's fine though.
That's why I do this.
Exactly.
And flying this thing is so relaxing.
Recalibrates your body because it's medicinal.
Yeah. Let's see
I was
what.
just thinking of that when I was going to the bathroom. You know, the motor always starts. They have a big problem with gas planes and taxiing them.
Yep.
They die on the runway,
Yep.
or you have to keep it running so fast it just keeps creeping and creeping
Right.
and creeping, and then it runs off the runway and breaks the prop.
Yeah, I've been through all that, you know, and it is cool, and you've got the whole sound and the novelty that goes along with it, but all the other stuff,
2 minutes.
all the other stuff wears out, you know, all the oil and mess,
Yeah.
and then, you know, all of a sudden all that time you put into your tune
Right.
goes away from the atmospheric atmospheric changes or whatever.
Your $8 glow plug.
Besides, it doesn't want to do anything anymore, so it won't run without the igniter on it. So yeah.
Exactly. Because your fuel has water vapor in it
Right,
now.
right. So, you know, it's fun. And if everything's perfect, it's a great day, but how often does that happen?
The cleanup's just a matter of time before that fuel gets underneath your covering.
Yep.
I've done it all. I had this exact plane right here, the PTS 40 size
Uh-huh.
Hanger 9, same colors. And I clear coated it.
Time
got
remaining
monocoat
1 minute.
spray.
Yep.
I wound up lacquer checking. I mean, it sealed it,
Yeah.
but the whole thing looked like a piece of shattered glass.
Oh, yeah. So I think this is the hard part about flying these things, getting them to fly a little bit more realistic
Right.
instead of just ripping around, you know.
Yes.
Because the real ones will not just pull through the loop, they kind of fall over, you know.
Yeah. Run out of inertia and then fall.
Time remaining 12 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
All right, where's the wind?
Five.
Oh, crap, it's crossed.
3,
Totally crossed.
1. Time expired.
It's right at my back. So let's see if it changes. Whoa, look at that. I'm in a thermal.
That's the guy that's the lady that just talked. I don't want anything happen to my fuel. I think so. You know what? That's good. I mean, it's any daytime. I don't think they're going to do anything. I don't know. They're the ones who are. Because they decided to take picture of my license. And I was like, they only probably took it because they think you're going to probably.
All right, so now it's switched around. Okay.
And then just
Yes.
date
Straight out.
All right.
Sure. Okay. I mean, it's just
Maybe
like
you
you should take a picture of theirs. Yeah, well, I did. It's just like one of those things. Like,
You need to let it go, guys.
Gear down.
yeah, you're gonna be fine. I rarely encounter something like this in this country.
1 minute over.
But there's people that are late like that. I wouldn't worry about it.
Still the same, Pete?
I have the dash cam video, show the footage and all that. Maybe I'll just post it on YouTube. Yeah, sure. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah, sure. Absolutely.
All right. Oh, the wind's it's switched on me.
Lots to think about during those last few feet off the ground.
Yeah.
And then not too. I think less is more.
Yeah, exactly. But the whole thing with me is I'm already there. I got to commit. But then I knew it was downwind because it was going fast.
Right. So if that was at Bayside, we probably would wind up on the end of the dirt.
Oh, yeah.
dirt portion.
That's the cool thing about Bayside. It's predictable. Can you get them to get back a little bit?
Yeah.
2 minutes over.